So welcome back to Channel's Place. I'm Channel, and this is my place. Alex and I are playing a game that I came up with when I first started playing pool because I wasn't satisfied with my ability to leave the cue ball wherever I wanted it. So this game involves 8 sections of table. Perhaps you can see the lines I put on the table. Maybe you can't. There we go. 1, there's 2 right here, 3 over there, 4 here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The goal is to leave the cue ball in each of those sections in succession. So the first shot that Alex is going to try is to leave the cue ball right back by him in that corner or in that corner area. My table I've only divided up into 8 spots, but you can do 32 if you feel confident, ambitious. Go ahead, Alex. Make your first shot. Give it a go. Oh, your line was not bad. Make my life a little easier. Ah, crap. Well, at least I'm still in the 1. Barely. If we get to the 2, maybe I can move the cue 8 balls into the 3. All that. Big boxes. Still in the 2, so that's good. When we get to the 3, I'm not going to be able to put the 8 ball in the 4 here. So the next shot won't be so easy. Take that out. Oh, too hard. Alright, I just rolled right out of the 4, so it's Alex's shot. What are you on, 1 or 2? 1. Not bad. Good try, you got the right line again. Good job. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm still on 4. I'm going to try and follow into it depth. A little more fun. There's the 4. Alright, I'm going to put the 8 over the rail. 2 all down, back up to 5 sections.
So what happens if we scratch or make the object ball?
Well, I made the object ball, I just have to spot it here on this spot. But if I scratch, the cue ball goes on this spot and I go back 1 box. So I'm shooting for the 5 now. If I scratch, I'll be back shooting at the 4 next time. I'll lose my turn too. It becomes his turn. And I'm out of luck. That might be alright on this one. There's a 5. That's a convenient place for me to put the 8 too. Now, be able to just stop right into 6 here. Drop. Keep me over there. Not too hard. I want the 7 afterward. Yep. That's going to work. Around this side. I should be able to run the 8 across the back so it's waiting for me to be 8 to finish my shot. Seems like cheating. Be too easy. Try it yourself though. Find this cover. There's something to be learned from this game. If it is too easy for you, try 32. So that's the game. We call it 8-8. This is my son Alex, and I'm Channel. This is Channel's Place. Thank you for watching. We enjoyed making the videos, and I hope you enjoyed watching them too. So like, share, subscribe, and visit channelsplace.com.